Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to change DNS settings on your Windows 11 computer. First, click on the Start button and then select Settings. Once the Settings app is open, choose Network and Internet from the left-hand menu. Next, decide whether you are on a Wi-Fi connection or an Ethernet wired connection. If you are using Wi-Fi, select the Wi-Fi option, then click on your connected network and select Hardware Properties. If you are on Ethernet, click the Ethernet option instead. Now look for DNS server assignment. You will see it is probably set to automatic DHCP. Click Edit next to DNS server assignment. Change the drop-down from automatic to manual. Then toggle IPv4 to on. You may also toggle IPv6 on if you want to use IPv6 addresses. Once manual mode is enabled, you will see fields for preferred DNS and alternate DNS. Enter the DNS server addresses you want to use. For example, you could use 8.8.8.8 for Google. After entering the addresses, click Save. Your system will then begin using the new DNS servers for name resolution. That's how you can change DNS settings on Windows 11. Thanks for watching.